Hey everyone, welcome back. This video is going to cover a quick setup for your delivery fees in your location. Now we're going to go to the locations tab. We're going to navigate to the location we want to change, and then we're going to go over to delivery fees. Now, as you can see, there are a lot of different fields here, a lot of different numbers, and what we want to do is we want to have something in place so we can charge a delivery fee to the customer, so there is a increase in per mile fees the further the restaurant is, obviously, and then we want to set up some minimum order numbers as well as maximum distance for our deliveries. Now, we're briefly going to go over this, and I'm going to explain what each field means. So we can go in here and set up these tiers, and I can explain you how they work in a second, but let's just put some random numbers in. But instead of putting random numbers, what we can do is we can load up one of our defaults, so we can save ourselves some time. So we have a template for $11 per hour, and this is a very rough estimate. It doesn't mean that the driver is going to make like only $11 per hour, right? So what we want to do is let's just load up this average right here, and you can see that all of these fields are going to fill up for us. So what do tiers mean? So easy zoning, basically what it does, it kicks in tiers. So from tier 1 is going to be from 0 miles until it hits tier 2, so until 1 mile. Tier 2 is going to be from 1 mile until 2 miles, as you can see here in the tier 3. So basically it kicks in at the next tier. So this means a couple of different things. This means that each tier has its pickup fee, per mile fee, a minimum order amount, right? And then you have driver commission. Now, the over is going to basically, as I explained previously, when does it kick in, right? So tier 5, we can already see that it kicks in after 4 miles. Tier 6 kicks in after 5 miles. So then we have pickup fee. This is going to be a flat fee to get the order delivered. Now, the delivery fee is determined by combining the pickup fee with the per mile fee. That's how you get your delivery fee on the customer backend, right? On the customer facing website. Then we have the minimum order. So let's just take tier 5 for example. We can see that we have a $3.99 pickup fee. We have a 75 cents per mile order fee. So this means that the delivery fee, if the order is we can see here 4 miles away, four times 75 cents, that's going to be $3. So this delivery fee is going to come up at $6.99, right? And then we have a minimum order of $20. That means that the customer needs to order at least $20 worth of food in order to get this order delivered. Now, we also have driver commission. This is a field that will actually override any of the driver previously set up driver commissions in the driver profile. Usually the case is that the driver or any kind of like per user setting is going to override any locational settings, but in this case we override it on the locational level. So if you put 70% here and you put 70% on, for example, the first 5 tiers, and then you say after tier 6 you want to give the drivers a little bit more because there is a little more money involved, and maybe 90% for these higher ones. But that is completely up to you. You can set this up however you want. We usually just leave these fields blank, and then what you can do is you can just set up your driver commissions under their driver profiles. Then we have maximum distance. This is going to say how far away a customer can be to get their order delivered. So in this case, we have 25 miles. And how does this reflect the above template is that we can see that the tier 10 kicks in at 20 miles. So anything 20 miles away or above, so it means it will go up to 25 miles. This is going to be that tier, right? So it will go at a maximum distance between the customer and the restaurant can be 25 miles, right? And then the tier 10 is going to cover that. And you can see that the customer also needs to order at least $500 worth of food for this order to be worth it, because, you know, the driver would be driving 20 some miles to the customer. Then you also have surge fee. This is going to be the amount charged to the customer as a surge fee based upon the amount of time it takes to drive from the restaurant to the customer, right? And then it says update the fee on the checkout page with predictive drive time. So basically, we will use the date and time of the order as well as the calculated driver pickup time to get a more accurate drive time for the customer. Okay. And then we also have charge per mile fee for only miles in tier. This is a advanced setting. There is a video specifically talking about this, so we're not going to cover this in this video, but this is a brief overview of how easy zoning functions and how you can set it up. We are not going to go over easy fees and zone-based fees, and then you can actually take a look at defaults for your business right here. All right, that's it for this video. Have a great day.